about 15 years apparently.
How much further can we go back?
Oh, easy, another couple of metres. Hold on. Go on. Yeah, a bit more. That's it. Right, we got it back at the ranch. Actually, it was restored some years ago, and it's the wings were new when it was painted. I can't even see if I can see where the camera's pointing, but anyway, they're mint. And some bits welded and done, odd bits, but as it's been understeer, you can see like the purple overspray. New things at the time. Anyway, I'll get it on the ramp when I can. Well, to you in the video, it'll be the next frame, but to me it might be a few days. Right, it's unloaded. It's quite a late one, but yeah, standard Rapier. Bit dusty. It's been sat in the garage quite a while. Bit of dust on the boot. Oh, maybe it got good wood in 2008. Yeah, last tax delay. There's a couple of bits in there because I've been doing stuff right at the start. Oh, I see. You said that was the fuel pump. So there we go. Oh, tape player. Who's that? Better reject it, I'll get a copyright off of eBay. That's just lovely. Seats are all nice, the interior's all quite clean. Pops. Right, and as if by magic, here we are. It's on the ramp. It's actually a couple of days later. There we go. Early sump. Customer did say he put a load of new stuff on it, and I didn't actually drive it much at the time. That's why it's sat in a garage. Looks like the clutch slave is weeping, quite common. Steering box is all right actually. They're normally way worse. J-type overdrive, which is good, stronger. Yeah, it's all still got the label on. Back box is looking a bit sorry for itself. So under the corners, they've been wax oiled. A couple of little repairs, but actually looks quite reasonable compared to most. The rear spring hangers have been welded, but they've been done and wax oiled years ago, so that's quite good. Those brackets are good. Looks like there's a bit of welding on the insides.